Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Spiro token. Name of the token is Spiro and ticker symbol is also Spiro. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 11th. We're going to go over the information on the Spiro token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt and always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Solana blockchain. By the way, crypto's going crazy last night and this morning. Lots of stuff in the green today because of that brand new announcement regarding the Bitcoin ETF. You most likely have heard, unless you're hiding under a rock. But what do you guys think about that? Because I haven't talked about that. Leave a comment down below. Are you in favor of the approval of the Bitcoin ETF or nah? Leave a comment down there. But anyways, let's get into this token here. So this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today. This is a meme coin on the Sol blockchain here. And they're getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today at exactly 10 o'clock at UTC time. It says post-only mode will be enabled and then full trading will be enabled 11 o'clock UTC time today on Poloniex. So if you're looking to get the Spiro token, one way is you could download Poloniex from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account and then fund your account with USDT. Go into the trade section on Poloniex and search Spiro, S-P-E-E-R-O, and then simply just buy the token. Now they already have a good amount of holders. So almost 4,000 holders right now according to their SolScan. They have 3,943 holders. There is 6 decimal places on this token. And there is a market cap right now of $2,202,467. And they started here with a total supply of, that looks like 10 billion, but it's deflationary. And then now they are at 9,998,942,000. No, sorry, trillion. 10 trillion. So now they're at 9,999,942,368,617 tokens. So you can check all that out on their SolScan. So another way to get this token, since it's on the Solana blockchain, is off some decentralized exchanges. So you could get this token off of Raydium by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Solana, going into the dApps, finding Raydium, and then trading your Solana for the Spiro token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, spiro.xyz, or you could find it on their SolScan or other places as well. Just make sure you have the right contract address. Now on their webpage also there is a how to buy section. You could follow that as well. So they talk about installing a Phantom wallet, so you could use that as a wallet for this token. They also talk about using Jupiter, JUP.AG, and you could use that instead of Raydium, so that's just another decentralized exchange. Or you could use any supporting decentralized exchange wallet like Coinbase wallet, Coin98 wallet, MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc. And yeah, so they give a little step-by-step. It's not much of a how to buy, but basically those are different ways to get it. They also have charts on here, so you can check out their DEX Screener chart on their webpage. And you could also check out Birdeye. So there's two different ones. Birdeye.so. On that webpage, they're going to tell you, the 24-hour. It's actually up 110% in the past 24 hours. So this token is doing very well, most likely because of new listings, things like that. It says they have 4,522 holders. So maybe that SolScan isn't as up to date as this Birdeye. So they have over 4,000 holders according to Birdeye. They're also listed on CoinGecko, it says here. You can find Spiro on CoinGecko. You can also find all their social links on Birdeye. Fully diluted market caps on here, contract address. So it's up in the past 4 hours, 8 hours, and 24 hours. So doing very well today. Total value locked is $238,000. Top 10 holders hold 21% of the tokens, it says. And yeah, so let's see here. There is like some security stuff on here. So there's one warning on here. You can check out their security info. It's just a quick audit basically on Birdeye. So it says tokens are not mintable, but then it says immutable info, yes, and there's a X on there. So always make sure you do your own research first. Try to find maybe a full audit, but according to Birdeye, there is one warning on the quick audit. Yeah, even according to CoinGecko, this token is up 117.5%, doing very well right now. And besides that, there's not a ton of info on this token because it is very much just a meme token. Now they do have, it says Spiro Story. So if you click on that, it just says, once upon a time, Spiro went to a fortune teller and asked a simple question, what market cap will Spiro reach? She hesitated but whispered 100 million. Spiro was shocked. Since that day, Spiro has been preparing. Don't believe Spiro? Here's a picture of him kindly asking the fortune tellers, and then there's a bunch of memes on the page here. It's also, you have to click to translate this page, so it's, from a non-English speaking country, it seems. I'm not sure, but it says, it's quite simple. Let me tell you the story, and then how to buy. But yeah, limited info. If you want to join the conversation about this token, you can join their Telegram at Spiro Solana. 718 subscribers on there. And then they have their Twitter that I'm going to put in the corner of the screen there. That's going to have lots of announcements on it. Now, their Twitter just joined in January 2024. That's how brand new this project is. But they already have 241 tweets. So they have an insane amount of tweeting going on here. Lots of memes, of course. They have a link to their LP Burned, it says here. So you can check that out. That's on their pinned tweet. Contract address is on their pinned tweet. It says renounced ownership. Underneath that, it's got the Poloniex listing. So yeah, check this token out on Poloniex. Do your own research because, like I said, there was one warning there on Birdeye. You can also check this token out on DEX Screener. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so let me know in the comments. What do you guys think about this project? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out all the referral codes in the description box. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.